KOA Myrtle Beach. Hey, YouTube. Buddy, first time RVers, how is everyone? Well, another camping trip coming here. I'm actually on my way to get Madison from school in carpool. And then we will head straight to the camper. Dawn's gonna meet us there, park her car. We'll be already loaded up and ready to go. And we're heading out to the KOA and Myrtle Beach. So we'll see you then.
Well, good morning, everyone. We got here last night, a little after 7. We went through some rainstorms, and then when we got here, it was really thundering and lightning. So it was one of those get set up as quickly as possible just in case. And it finally did start to rain about 8:30. So we just kind of went in the camper and relaxed for the evening. But it's the morning now, and it is beautiful. And what's strange is it really seemed like it rained like crazy last night, yet it's really completely dry out here. So what's nice about this KOA here in Myrtle Beach is all the trees there. So even though we're in Myrtle Beach and we're 3 blocks from the ocean, you feel like you're in the woods or in the mountains because it's so much shade. With that said, this is certainly not like some of your other Myrtle Beach resorts. Ocean Lakes, Pirate Land, places like that. They're huge and they have so much to do, but the sites are much tighter. I mean, gosh, about where that cooler is, we'd have another camper beside us. So like I said, this place is more reminds me of like a state park or something. A lot of shade, a lot of trees, decently quiet. So there are several premium sites that have concrete pads and they provide you with a gas grill. I don't think there's a single site that has a paved parking area. They're all gravel. And if you look at this site here, it's actually pretty rough. And we're squeezed in here in the sense of the trees and things like that. So we're squeezed in. We had to move just enough to get that awning past the tree there. And this campground, I think for this site, which is the standard site, is, I don't know, $80, $85 a night. You are at the beach, so that brings up the price a lot. And they do have a shuttle that'll take you there. It's a golf cart, 6-passenger golf cart will take you to the beach. I may have said earlier, it's about 3 blocks away from here, so it's not far. I don't know what we're gonna do today. Madison's still inside sleeping. Dawn went inside to do some cleaning up. And we're just gonna have a nice relaxing Saturday here and head home tomorrow morning. So let's see what we can get into. I want to show you my shirt here. If I ignore you, will you go away? Biggest reason I bought it because it was $3 brand new. This is probably our 4th or 5th time here over the years. We actually first started tent camping here probably 10, 12 years ago. But they've been doing some upgrades, and this is one of their latest upgrades. They put like, I don't know, maybe 4 of these sites in with the nice big fireplace there, and these nice decks overlooking the lake. They say you can fish right off it. It's gotten a little windy. Look at that. That's right, we'll still get to the pool though. Still kind of warm out, so. It's late morning. We decided to come hang out at the pool. We had breakfast earlier, and we'll probably maybe go do a little shopping. It's a short weekend this weekend, so we're really just here today. So we'll just do a little hanging out, cook out this evening. Dawn sees something in the tree there, so we're gonna use the camera so you can get up close. Looks like a falcon or something. You're looking at this bird right here in the tree. I don't know what he is. I'm zooming in so it's getting a little blurry, but the big old thing looks like some sort of falcon or something, but he looks like he's got a yellow head on it. Pizza on the Blackstone. We just went ahead and used this regular pasta sauce here. We didn't get the pizza sauce. But there you got it. We got the dough for $1 on sale. We always buy them when they're $1 a piece at the grocery store. This one's got some mozzarella, some feta cheese, and some olives. Smells good. So we rolled the dough out, but of course we didn't have flour, so we used some olive oil, but some of them just stuck pretty bad. But you know what? It's all just getting eaten anyways. What does it matter, right? So in order to do these pizzas, we've already done a couple. Got some olive oil on here. Gonna let that heat up a little bit. And then we'll put the dough on. We'll let the dough cook on one side, flip it over, cook a little bit on the other side, and then make the pizza. So here's our Texas style pizza.
Yeah.
Our Greek style pizza. And then our regular old cheese pizza. This turtle keeps swimming around and getting in this other turtle's face. Look with his arms, look. Hey, hey, look at me, look at me. Mom, over here. Alright, we're gonna hit the playground for a little bit. We were at Broadway at the beach earlier. That's where you saw those turtles acting up. So now we're gonna play at the playground here. Beautiful lake back there. So might as well pop open one of last week's aviators. After a couple swigs, I'll join Maddie in the pool. There goes the worm train. Maddie and Dawn are riding. It's Sunday morning. We're going to pack up and get ready to leave. One thing about being in the woods like this is all the spider webs you come across. As soon as I walked out the door, I can feel them. It's not a bad place. You want to be at the beach in a busy area with a lot of things to do, but yet feel like you're in the middle of the woods. This is a great place to be. But when you're in Myrtle Beach, you have a lot of options. You got a lot of places here that are high impact, lots of things to do, non-stop fun, several pools or whatever. If you're looking for that, this isn't the place. This is a place to lay back, relax, and enjoy yourself. I'm up here on the roof, and we noticed that the speaker cover was missing from inside the RV. And there it is, on top of the slide, outside. So, hopefully that didn't do too much damage. So here's another little small issue about being in the woods. The amount of debris you get up on your slides. So you always want to get that off before you put your slides in so you don't damage your rubber seals. Plus it keeps all that stuff outside rather than inside your RV. Well, as always, thanks for watching. Subscribe, hit that notification bell. You'll get a notification of all of our latest videos. Share, comment. We enjoy reading the comments. So we're less than 100 subscribers away from hitting that 1,000 subscriber mark. And that'd be great to get that done by the end of summer. So if you don't mind, hit that subscription button. And as always, thanks for watching. We'll see you soon. Bye-bye.